Dear student, today we start with the mode, that is exercise number 14.2. Before that, what is called the mode? So mode means it is a Z. Okay. Now out of the bulky observations, you have to choose randomly any of the observation. So here maybe we have studied in 9th standard that mode means uh, the most frequently repeated observations. Okay, so first we start with the ungrouped data. Okay, for that one example is given in our textbook. Example number 4. See here, number of wickets and number of matches. Number of wicket and number of matches are given. Okay, so for that we can say that the data is given in our textbook: 0 wicket, 1 wicket, 2 wicket, 3 wicket, 4 wicket, 5 wicket and 6 wicket. Okay, in how many matches? So the bowler got 0 wicket in match, 1 wicket in one match, 3 matches. In 3 matches he got 2 wicket. In 2 matches he got 3 wicket. In 1 match he got 4 wicket. In 5 and 6 also he got 1 wicket each. Okay, so this is about the ungrouped data. This is your xi and this is fi. This is called ungrouped data. Now here we can say this is a frequency. So highest frequency is 3. Okay, so whenever you have to find out a mode of a ungrouped data, then you have to select the highest frequency. Okay, and that will be your mode. So here we can write highest wicket frequency is 3. Highest frequency is 3 and therefore mode Z is 2. Clear? So this is about the ungrouped data. Okay? For group data, now we have a formula and which we have to learn. Okay? So for formula, just I am writing first of all for group data. This is ungrouped data. Okay? Okay, for group data, mode Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C, where L is a lower boundary of modal class. In example we will see all these things. Okay, F1. So F1 is a highest frequency. Sorry. f0 frequency of preceding class. F0 is a frequency of a preceding class. Okay. F2 is a frequency of successive class. Okay. So this bracket is over and C is a class length. Okay. So write down all these things. It is given in your textbook also. I have a soft copy of your textbook here. So this is about the formula. Okay. To find out the mode of a group data, this is the formula. Z is equal to L plus into bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket over into C. Okay. And well, this is the explanation of the things. Okay. We explain this with an example also. Okay. So now next is your example number 5. Okay. So this is clear. In your textbook also the formula with explanation it is given. Okay. So now example number 5. Only one method. Okay, for mode. Say first we can say it is a class and here it is a frequency. Whatever it is written in your question, forget. First one, the upper one in your class question, it will be class, and second is a frequency. So classes are given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. Okay. Frequencies are 7, 8, 2 to 1. Okay. So first of all, we have to do nothing with this table. Okay. No additional columns are required for mode. So it is the simplest one. So whenever in your exam from this chapter any question is asked, it may be a mode and in an option mean or median will be given. So then mode will be the most easiest way. Okay, only you have to remember the formula, nothing you have to add in the column, just replace the value in the formula. Okay, first of all, this is the highest frequency, 8 out of this. So it is F1. Preceding class, it is F0. Successive class, it is F2. Okay. Highest frequency, this is considered as a modal class. This is a modal class. Okay. And in a modal class, the lower boundary, this is lower boundary, this is upper boundary. Lower boundary is considered as your L. Okay. And the class length, that means 3 minus 1. So it is 2. 5 minus 3, it is 2. So in all the class length will remain same. Okay. So we can start now from question. F1 is equal to 8. F0 is equal to 7. F2 is equal to 2. L is equal to 3. And C is equal to 2. These are the value available. Okay. Just replacing the formula. So formula is what? Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So here L is equal to what? 3 plus F1, so it is 8 minus F0, it is 7. F1 8, 8 2s are 16, minus F0 7 and minus F2 it is 2, and into C it is 2. Okay, so now simplify this. So 3 plus 8 minus 7 it is 1 into 2 upon 16 minus 7 minus 2 and minus 9. So it is 3 plus 1 2s are 2, 16 minus 9. Okay, so 7. Okay, so first of all you have to simplify 2 by 7, 0 point. So approximately it is 0.28. So it is 3 plus 0.28. So answer is 3.28. So this is your mode. Clear? So this is about the mode. Okay. Now may question arises that the highest frequency will be first one. So this will be your F1. Suppose this is the highest frequency, first one is the highest frequency, then this will be F1. What about F0? Preceding nothing is given, then you have to consider it as a 0. Okay, F2 will be next one. Similarly, we can say if last frequency is the highest one, okay, then F0 is 2 and F2 will be 0. Okay, but that type of question will not be asked. So this is about the mode and only one type is given. So in exercise 14.2 you have to do all the sum by this formula only. Okay, no variation is given. So that is, we can say that in that missing frequency question is not given. Just see this one properly. Up to that just I will check down whether any missing frequency question is given or not. Okay, so in exercise 14.2 total 6 questions are given and all these are of the same kind. Okay, no change. Okay, just you have to write down first class, it is given. Okay, frequency also given. Highest frequency is your F1, preceding is F0, successive is F2. Okay, highest frequency class is considered as a modal class. Lower boundary is called L of a modal class. This is upper boundary. Okay, and class length means the upper boundary minus lower boundary. So 3 minus 1, so it is 2. So all these details are given here. You have to use this formula and then simplification. Okay, do simplification with the same manner. Okay, don't add 3 first. Simplify this block into the decimal form or up to the last digit and then add to the L. Okay, so that will be the simple way and simplest method. So today we will stop up to the mode. Okay, tomorrow in a next lecture we will take median. Okay, in median we can say that the ungrouped data, group data and missing frequency, these 3 types of questions will be there. Okay, so next time that we will see, and then our chapter will be over. Additional questions also I will give you. Okay, but after the completion of the lecture. Okay, thank you for today.